Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you how our Sales Maximizer AI rule exactly works, who this AI rule is suitable for, and in which scenarios is it best to use. We're going to share with you tips from 8-figure Amazon sellers on using this rule to help you scale up your business. So let's get to business. There are different scenarios you could use the AI Sales Maximizer. The first scenario is when you have a lot of excess inventory, products that you want to liquidate. Suppose you're using Amazon FBA, and as you reach the peak season, your cost of storage increases. Also, stocks that have low turnover or more than 6 months old start to incur long-term storage fees. This is when you need some help to move the stock that aren't selling well, move on to other products that you can sell for more profits. The second scenario is when introducing a brand new product to the market and you would like to get a higher bestsellers rank. You could also use the Sales Maximizer to help you increase your sales turnover, which will help you get a higher bestsellers rank with more inventory sold. This will also improve your IPI score by having a higher sales volume in order to have a higher inventory storage limits. The third scenario is when you have a lot of inventory remaining and you have sourced a product that is slow moving. These can be products that are out of fashion or seasonal products. The prices for the products have decreased due to new competitors entering and you're not winning the buy box. You would like to improve your sell-through rate, increase your inventory turnover, and get rid of these products before they become dead stock. These products may also be in a decline stage of the product cycle and are no longer hot products. So here are the things you need to prepare. First, you got to make sure you got stock of the product that you're planning to liquidate. You could do this by using the default filters to check the stock and also the quantities. Make sure your product is not in transit and is not back ordered. Second, make sure to set a competitive min and max price. Set your price within the historic buy box winning price. You can check the historic prices by using our product tracker and our other product, Big Central, or using tools like Keepa. Third, check if the sell-through rate of the product on Amazon Seller Central is less than 2.0. Amazon recommends you to sell products that have higher than 2.0 in the sell-through rate. Let's go on some of the actual results of the AI Sales Maximizer. Here is a listing that is using the AI Sales Maximizer, and you can look at the competitor analysis. The listing is priced competitively. The min price gives enough room to compare against the current competitors. There are many other competitors for this listing. Let's take a look at how this rule functions. After going into the price history, we can see that the number of times that it has repriced for up to 5 days. You can see that it has aggressively gone for the buy box first by lowering the price, and then it raises the buy box when it can. As soon as it's not in the buy box, it aggressively goes in for the buy box again. As you can see, once it captured the buy box, it would attempt to raise the price again in small increments. You can see the prices going up and down incrementally close to the buy box price. You can also see an increase in the total buy box win percentage after this seller switched many listings to the Sales Maximizer. There is a total growth of up to 19% after changing many listings to the AI Sales Maximizer rule. This is on an account where they switched the majority of their listings from the AI Sales Maximizer from other less aggressive rules. Next, let's go into the listing to see the difference. In the last 30 days, the buy box win percentage was around 54% using less aggressive repricing rules. After switching to the Sales Maximizer, we got an average of 85% win percentage within just 1 week. This boosted the buy box win percentage by 30%. So we're getting a lot more sales for the product. You could also use the Sales Maximizer for products that are about to expire in your inventory. For example, if you're repricing groceries, the grocery needs to be within 50 days of expiration. Otherwise, it will be removed by Amazon. It will be wise to reprice it very competitively. Another principle I want people to get is there's an opportunity cost of you keeping your inventory. If after a certain period of time, the product is still not selling, then you have to lower your min price to give the AI more room to work with. The best time to use the AI Sales Maximizer is to liquidate the product. Then use the capital gained from those sales on more profitable opportunities. We often get asked, what price should I set my products? You need to set a competitive min price to give AI more room to work for you. This will be dependent on whether you have better opportunities that can help you generate higher profits. You can't stay loyal to one product. How does the Sales Maximizer compare against the other AI rules? First, it is much more aggressive than the other AI rules. You could expect to have a lower per unit profit, but it will increase your sales turnover. Second, you should use this to liquidate your overstock products to make room for products that you expect to sell for a larger profit. Third, when you compare it with the other AI rules, it would get the buy box much faster than the other AI rules because it is more aggressive. It would be most useful when there are a lot of competitors involved. Fourth, after capturing the buy box, it would start raising the price in smaller increments compared to the other AI repricing rules. The main objective for this AI rule is to hold the buy box. Last, our AI will also take into consideration your seller profile. This includes the shipping method, shipping time, selling price, feedback, review, and other factors. So you will need a wider range of min and max to give the AI rule enough to keep the buy box for you. If you're new to BQool, be sure to sign up. We offer you a completely free, risk-free 14-day free trial. No credit card is needed. Your free trial will include 10 free AI listings. If you're using Amazon Seller Central, standard automated pricing, or another repricer, I would encourage you to try BQool because our repricer has AI and it profiles each competitor and it will keep repricing incrementally up. If you're an existing BQool customer, to see the largest difference, you can use our $100 plan, which gives you 1,000 AI listings and also have instant repricing. What I've seen is that with the AI repricing, you're repricing a lot more than before, and it gives you the best chance to win the buy box. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be releasing additional strategy walkthroughs and guides and teach you how to use your software to grow your Amazon business. Be sure to join our Facebook group and find answers to your questions. You can also contact our support team with our live chat or by email to find out more about our AI repricing. We're BQool. We keep innovating to help you stay cool with your Amazon business.